Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Obapa. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe. Today I will teach you how to make this simple basic light lotion. Let's measure our ingredient. We need 170 grams of distilled water. Always use distilled water when you are making your cosmetic product. Don't use pipe water because most time pipe water is contaminated and we don't want our product to be contaminated. That's the reason why we use distilled water. I will use 25 grams of aloe vera juice. Aloe vera juice is good for skin moisturizing. It can fade that spot. It can help with sunburns and also it can help with acne. That's the reason why I'm using that. We will use 5 grams of propylene glycol, which is very good for skin moisturizing. It's also good for acne. You can replace it with vegetable glycerin or sodium latte. We will measure 5 grams of hydrolyzed slick protein, which is very good moisturizer for the skin and it can also give you a radiant skin tone. We will measure 10 grams of coconut oil, which is very good moisturizer too for the skin. And we are going to use 3 different oils, but you can choose to use a single oil or any oil of your choice. I'm also using 10 grams of sweet almond oil, which is also very good for skin too. As I say, you can use any oil of your choice to make this. As far as you love the oil and the oil is good for your skin, you can replace it with the same amount of quantity that I use. I will leave the recipe down the description box in percentage so that if you want to create a big batch, you can do that too. But if you want to create a small batch like what I'm doing, you can also follow and do the same thing. We use 5 grams of Isopropyl myristate, which is very good for the skin. It helps the skin ingredient to penetrate well and it also makes your skin feel slicky rather than greasy. We are going to use 10 grams of emulsifying wax, and that's the emulsifier. Use CreamBlend emulsifying wax. You can use any emulsifying wax of your choice. 5 grams of Cetyl Alcohol. Cetyl Alcohol is also used in cosmetic to treat dry skin, itchy skin, and skin irritation. So that's the reason why I'm using that. And I'm using my Germall preservative. You can use any preservative of your choice. And this is help the product to stay longer, or this help the product not to be contaminated because we don't want our product to spoil. And also I'll be using 1 grams of fragrant oil, and I'm using lemon essential oil. You can use any essential oil or fragrant oil of your choice. We are going to do a double broiler to melt our ingredient or to heat our ingredients. So we have to make sure our emulsifying wax and everything has melted and heated. Like the water needs to be warm or heated. Yes, before we can do our lotion. So I have melted it and the water is warm and I'm at the right temperature too. So I'm going to add the liquid to the oil. I always love to add the liquid to the oil because if I add the oil to the liquid, I can't bring all the oil out of the bowl or out of the glass. That's the reason I always add the water to the oil, and you still blend it very well. You still blend it and it will turn to a lotion. And this lotion, I really love the texture. It's very light. When you put on your skin, you can feel it is very light and it's really moisturize the skin, and it have a lot of skin benefit which I can't talk about it all. So the best is to research about the ingredients that I'm using to learn about the benefit of it. So you take the temperature of your lotion, and if it's all right, you add your preservative. As I say, you can use any preservative of your choice. Just read about the manufacturer information about that preservative to know how to use it. And I'm also adding my fragrant oil too. Then I'm going to stir well for everything to combine well. Yes, so now we have our lotion, and you can see I'm still not feeling well, and thanks to everyone who wish me well. I'm better, but sometimes too, sickness is go and come. I'm still recovering and I will be better. I'm trying my best to give you best video. So don't mind my voice. Sometimes it will be well, sometimes it will not be well. So now my lotion is ready. So I'm pouring it into a Ziploc so that it will be easy for me to pour it into my bottle. That's my sanitized bottle. But if you have a funnel, you can use that. You can see I'm back in US, so most of my equipment I left it in Africa, so I have to buy everything again. That's why. So sometimes I need to squeeze myself. I don't have a funnel now, but I will try and buy one. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe, like my video, share my videos. Bye.